Welcome back to Bytesice. Today we're going to be going over the changes made to the structure and the UI of the site. So first, in these tabs over here, I tidied it all up. It's got links. This is going to be adaptive. It'll add as I go along. You can see today I created the pages. That's going to be later. And this will update as it goes on. I have an about page now, same style type. This goes over the gist of the project, you could say. And then there's legal for legal reasons, yada yada yada. All in the same styling. From then we get to the actual content of the site, the tools, the games, and the extensions. You can see each of these tabs has title, and that's only for extensions. And it'll have cards for each extension. Right now I've built one, which will be the next video. It'll have another extension here and there, and another category. Say this is for Google Docs, and the next one could be for whatever. It goes on and on. That is the same for the games and the tools section. And let's pivot to the code for that. So for both the extension and the JavaScript for those, we have, as you can see, where I start. There is title in the headers. This is the link to the instructions, which is how you can download the extension. Looks very nice. A header, and the real magic, the cards. So it's a grid of cards, and each card, which is these, has a title, a tagline, and here are the buttons. So it has a link button, which is the download. Links to the download. If I click this, it would download the extension, and a details button, which gives more detail on it. This is that drop-down menu, as you can see. And then that works because of the JavaScript, which works. It goes over each button, each toggle button, actually, for this button, which is the detail button. And for each button, it adds an event listener. So when you click it, it makes variables for the card and the description, which is this text if it's open or not. Then goes over each card and extension and closes them all. Same for this one, I think. Yeah, these close it, and then opens this one. That's how that JavaScript would work. And that applies. I know I don't have it open for all of them, but that applies for the games and the tools one. Okay. Last thing I changed was the home page. I added 3 cards, which are right here. Made a grid. Each one links the page it's supposed to go to. And it has a photo that I found that represents each one with a title. And yeah, that's it. So next video, which I'll make in like an hour, will be about this extension, which is, I think it's really cool. So yeah, see you in the next video.